This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so we'll go to Photoshop. So yesterday we did this dodge tool here, correct? So we have used a dodge tool and burn tool here. Okay, some of the students they tried how much ever it is possible. So how to present the thing? Okay, so always what you have to do, you have to keep two images together. See, I want to see like how the images before how it is after how the image is like this. Okay, so what I'm doing here now, so I want to keep two images together. So this is the image before it is like this. Okay, so after the changes are happened, this image is like this. Okay, so I'll keep both the images together so everybody can see my screen, right? Yes. Okay, so now what I'll do, in the layer I'll press shift key and layer 1 and background copy, I will make it as a group. Control G, I'll make it as a group now. So how to make a group? So I have to select this background copy and this layer 1. So I'll make it as a group. Control G. Okay. So now it is grouped. So what I'll do, I'll keep both the files. Control T. I'll make this file like this. I'll keep it one side. Okay. Enter it. Again, I'll go to this background file. Lock. How to open the lock? So you have to click on this lock option and double click on this lock. Then OK. So Control T, I have to select this file, Shift Alt. So I have kept two files like this. Okay. So otherwise you can keep the files like this also. Like according to your the file size, you can keep the files like this. See. So now you can see the changes. So after editing, the image is become like this. Before editing, it is like this. Okay, you can give a message here after and before, and any changes you want to make it here. So here I'll go to select this background copy and I will go to here and I will use the dodge tool here. See, I want to make this image brighter, very brighter. See, I have made it very brighter here. So like this. So I want the work from you people like this. So and one more thing, why I have taken the bridal image first of all. See, bridal image, with the bridal images itself you can do n number of things with the bridal images. So always the bridal images, it will look very beautiful and very attracting way it will come. Okay, so yesterday whoever sent me the image, for example Arunima Baidya, so you are not taken a good quality image, so it is a very low resolution image and I want the image should be bright. Okay, and and it should be attractive way, like this image we have. So this image is looking completely dark here and here it is a brighter image. So I can see the changes now. So here one image is there, here one image is here. So again for the background I will take one more layer. So already you people know how to take the layer. I'll take a new layer and so again for this I will go to this gradient tool. Any simple gradients, no need to add so many like any of the colors which is matching for this, just add a gradient for this. Okay, in the layer 2 I'll keep it down and opacity I'll make it 100%. So any simple background things you can add it. Okay, so before how the image is, after how the image is like this. Okay, so any of the color combinations you can add it. Okay, so like this you can add it, the images. So before the image like this and after this it will look like this. So like this only you have to make the images, you have to present like this only for me. Okay, it won't look nice, you are placing one image and I don't know, I don't understand what are the changes you people are done. Okay, even with the sceneries, any of the sceneries I have already did some changes here. The unlock this one and Control T. I'll reduce the size of this and I'll present one more image. Control T. Okay, Control T. So like this. So one image I'll place it over here and again one more layer over here. So I'll place it like this. Okay. So this is the thing what we have done, the changes and all. Okay. Otherwise, one more option is there. Go to File, New. So whenever you taking this A4 size, so we have taken here A4 size. So A4 size in this width is 210, height is 297. So height is more, width is less. So look at here, height is more and width is less. So now I will do the changes oppositely I will give it. Okay, so 297 I will place it here and 210 I will place it over here. So I'll press 297 and here the same thing 210. So because I need width should be more, see now I need a width should be more. Okay, so what I'll do, any of the images, any changes what I have done, I want to present it. So what I'll do, like this scenery images, I'll keep it like this. Okay, so we have two different layers are there, one is this layer, okay, and one is the original layer. So I'll just unlock it and so this is the original one and the things what I have did the changes. So I have two different layers are there. Okay, so like this you have to present it. Okay, you have to select the layer and can reduce the size little bit. You have to present like this to be. Okay, like how it is, like how before it is like this and after like this. Okay, anything you can place it wherever you want, so you can keep it little up like this, otherwise down like this, any changes. Suppose any four images are there, you can keep one by one. So this is the first one and this is the second one, like that you can place it however. Okay, so before how the image is and afterwards the changes and all it is happen. Okay, so like this you have to present with the layers. So by the time I can easily rectify like what are the changes you people are done. Okay, is that okay everybody? Still I'm not getting at least 20% assignment from you people. Okay, so like this I'll close this file. So now one of the tools I have left it. Okay, what is that tool called? So next last one is the sponge tool. What is the use of this sponge tool? I will take the duplicate copy of this layer. See here. Sponge tool, how it will work. Sponge tool, you will get a black and white effect. So you will get a grayscale. Now the image is totally colorful. So if I use this sponge tool, so what happened? It is completely become dull. So it is become black and white. Okay, so any of the image you want to make it black and white to color to black and white, otherwise the gray or grayscale option. It is not making the image completely black and white because the dress and all it is the same color itself, it is colorful only the skin color is only it is becoming a little darker. Okay, so this is not completely darker option, but this is also one of the very beautiful thing actually. So only the background you want to make it black and white and the characters you want to make it color. So all these options you can use it. Okay, so now what I did, I made this complete as a black and white. Okay, so how to make the ornaments, only the ornaments, whatever the ornament she over it, that I want to make it colorful. How to make it? Anybody can tell me how to make the only this gold itself? I want to make it color. See, now I have taken two different layer. First, this is the original layer, and this complete colorful it is. Now I made it like this, okay, with the black and white grayscale option. This is what we are telling, the grayscale option. So here it is showing like this is the option of desaturate mode. So we have the option called desaturate mode. Desaturate mode means it will remove the color. See, you have to click so many times. So then it will desaturate wherever the colorful more color is there. So it is trying to make it grayscale. So this is the desaturate mode. Okay, so you can see the difference like this. Okay, this is the desaturate mode. So how to make only the ornament should be colorful? Anybody can tell me? Monal Singh? Anybody? Yuktar? Divyashriyam? How to make only the ornament should be colorful? Lavanya? Nobody?
Ma'am, like first we need to pick color picker using
Okay.
the color picker tool, and then like we need to keep it on the particular ornament, and like we need to pick the color, and
Okay.
uh, and like we'll be having an option like as red color has been default for the sponge tool, like there will be a default options for the particular color in grayscale, and like we need to change accordingly.
Okay. Yeah, that is also one method. Okay. I'll tell the easy method. So I'll go to this eraser tool. Okay. So I'll just go to the eraser tool, and I'll just reduce the brush size, and I'll go to here this background copy layer is there where I can see the black and white. So I'll go to here, I'll erase it. So only the ornaments. So this is the easy option. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll erase it. How could I get gold color over here? Because in the background already I have this gold option, right? It is there in the background already, gold option. This is the easy options. That's why we should take the duplicate copy of this. Okay, so only the ornaments I'm making it color because already it is there here in the background. So if I'll remove it, you will get this color. See, I have erased it this much because it is already in the background, there is a gold color is there. So that's why it is possible, otherwise it is not possible. So wherever how much ever the area I want, only that much area, so I'll make it colorful. Okay, so everything I'll keep it as a grayscale only. Double click on this, so I'll make it okay, colorful. Okay, slowly you have to reduce the brush size and you have to make it colorful. Okay, I have not did complete things are colorful. Only wherever necessary, only there itself you can use it. And with this, we have the tool called DOS tool. So I'll reduce the brush size and I'll make it little brighter. So it is not taking here because I have erased things over here. So I'll go to this background layer and I'll make it bright. So because it is erased over here and nothing is here. Okay, so I want to do any changes like this, I have to go to this background layer. So there itself I have to exposure 10% I have given here. I'll just give 25% this. So how much ever I want. So you can make it bright. Only one click. So wherever necessary, you can make the design like this. So everything is darker shade. So only the design is like this. Okay. So I want from everybody take a beautiful bridal image. I thought you people are more interested to do the bridal images because everybody like to do this kind of assignments, because this is more entertaining and this is colorful things that everybody likes to do it. So I thought you from you people I'm getting more assignments. So I'm not getting much assignments from you people. Any reasons? Tell me. Anybody? Exams are going on or something like that. Anybody? Why I'm not getting assignments? Yukta are, and some of the students even till now they're not sended me a single assignment. Who's that? Nisarga Rai, Rashmi, Punita. Okay, everybody should send me the assignment. Okay, so then only you people will understand how to make the designing. Okay, so this is the use of this sponge tool. So like that, if you take the scenery background, okay, if you take the scenery background, any of the scenery background, if you'll take it, so I'll just take the duplicate copy of this. Only the sky I want to make it as a darker shade with the grayscale desaturate mode. So look at this. So I made only the sky which is desaturated over here. Even flow you can give 100%. I have given only 50%. Okay. So before it is like this, be brighter, and you can remove the colors from everything. So complete the sky and these things, everything it is black and white. So look at here, I removed the color here. So wherever you want necessary, so that time again you can use the eraser tool. So I want to make this only the hills should be colorful. So I will go to here, eraser tool, and I'll increase the size of this. See, only this portion I want to make it colorful. So I'll make it colorful with this. Okay. So like this, you have to make the designs.
Ma'am, like I have a doubt.
Mm.
Like you're using eraser tool, right, ma'am? Like,
Mm.
why don't we use Dodger tool over there? Like, what difference we'll see there if we use
Which
Dodger
tool?
tool? Dodger.
Dodge tool. So
Yeah.
dodge tool is mainly for the brightness, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
already it is converted to grayscale. Once it is converted to grayscale, it will not make it means if you see already I made it here. It will make only brighter color. That is the only thing. See already it is here it is turned to grayscale. So only look at here now the grayscale only it is making brighter. Okay,
Okay,
so it
ma'am.
is not making it colorful. So it will make the image bright, so it will not make the image colorful. See already the image is here gray here, so the gray only it is making it bright. It is not making it like I want to make this image colorful again, it will not make it. So dodge tool is only to make image brighter. Burn tool is only to make image darker. Okay, so once you convert it to sponge tool, using the sponge tool you have already, we already made it this thing grayscale here, desaturate. This is the mode we are telling, we are calling as desaturate mode. Okay, once we already made it desaturate, so that means we remove the color from this image. So again it will not bring the color. We don't have any options to bring the color once again. So whatever the desaturated things are there, we can make it bright, okay, with the dodge tool. It will not make the image colorful. See this image, using the dodge tool, I can make it bright. And
Yes,
this
ma'am. Yes,
burn
ma'am.
tool,
Got it.
yes, I can make the image dark. Again, I
More
can make the
darker.
image
Yeah.
dark. Yes, I want to make the image colorful once again. That means I have to erase it. Erase it in the sense, even in the background, if it is this image having the backup copy of this colorful image, then only it is possible. Correct. So we
Okay,
have the
ma'am.
backup
Got it.
copy here in the background. Then only it is possible. Okay. So that's why easy method is, otherwise you can make cut and copy and all. So what I'm doing here, I'm just making erasing here. So how much ever the portions I want, I'll just make it erase. So by the time what happens, so the only the colorful things are visible. Only how much ever the colorful things I want, only that much things are visible over here. Okay, like that. So some of the collage works you people have to do. So before that, anybody having any doubt with this option, DOS tool, burn tool, and sponge tool? So from everybody, I want a bridal photo shoot like this. Please, everybody, take a beautiful bridal photo shoot with the ornaments. So by the time it will look more beautiful. So you can experiment with like so many things with the bridal images itself. Okay, so
Ma'am, bridal
everybody,
means like only Indian culture bridal, or like you can take any other
any
culture, ma'am?
culture, just
Okay, ma'am.
somebody, because see, Indian bridal means what happens, you will get a colorful like this. So here you can show the black and white also, and here you can show the ornaments also, means black and white to color, those things and all you can work with this. And I want to place her, this girl in the palace or somewhere. So those things and all easily I can make it. Correct. So other images and all, maybe you have to search actually. So if I'll give it in the Google, you will get HD, good quality images, like this bridal images only will get very good. So that's why I have taken this images. See now what I'll do. So everybody, from everybody, this polygonal laser tool, everybody should do it. Okay. Still I feel some of the students who were not with this polygonal tool, so I feel they're not able to do it. Okay, they're not able to use this polygonal laser tool. So again, once again I'm showing. So whoever feeling difficulty with polygonal laser tool, take a white background image. Though no need to take this colorful images like this. Okay, you can take the white background image. So by the time you can place it wherever, like you can easily with the magic eraser tool you can cut the image. Okay, so whenever you are selecting like this, you have to give the feather. So how much feather you have to give? One, two, one or two. See here, one. I already placed 1 pixel over here, and so control J. Keep it always here. Control J. So like this, so I have given 1 pixel. So by the time any problems which is having in the edges, so any corrections, any cutting edges and all you are not did properly, so those things and all it will cover with this 1 pixel. Okay, so here for this kind of images, you can easily give the background color, a gradient color. Otherwise, you have to place this kind of images somewhere uh, with a different background. So let us check what kind of background it is suitable. See some of the things I have already. So this kind of images you can place it. I'm just placing over here. So even any of you have this, any of your images are there, you can try. And so you can make your own images with the celebrities, Otherwise, with the queen, you people are sitting with the some queen, something like that. You have to place the crown over here. Those things and all, you can make it this kind of image. Look at here. So you have to place. You have to take the sitting images. Then only make the changes like this. Okay. So I want some of work from you people. These are the very simple things. Actually, you have to place it. Bridal images. Okay. So you can place it like wherever you want, like whatever the image I have taken. That is a sitting kind of a thing actually. So you can place it wherever you want. Some palace background. Okay. Let us see. Control T. Like this. So you have to take image which is suitable, okay, which is easily matching to this image. Okay, so like this, and you can take the duplicate copy of this. Right click on this layer, take a duplicate copy, and right click on this layer, take a duplicate copy of this layer. So I have placed two girls here. Flip horizontal and flip vertical. So like this. So like this you can place it, and one more copy I have taken here. Control T. So what I am suggesting you people, so you can take your photos itself. You can take a selfie of yours only with a different angles. Okay. Otherwise you can do it with a different dresses with the different angles and all. So you can take like this kind of background, and you can make a designs like this. So you can take a copy of this. You are standing over here, and you are standing over with a different dress over here, and like this. So otherwise you have the image which is suitable for this kind of background, so you can make it your own designs and all. Okay, so like this. Okay, you can select the layer copy. See, this is all creativity things that you have to think and you have to do it yourself. Okay, so you can place different the same girl I'm placing in a different way. So okay, so you can take one standing image also somewhere, she's coming down. Okay, so like that you can place it. Is that okay? So always you have to use the polygonal lasso tool, otherwise you have to use the magic eraser tool. Then only it is possible that you can place the images. Okay, so like that, so which is suitable for this background, you have to take those kind of images only. So I have this image. Look at here. I have one more images. Even for this also, which is suitable. Again, I'm taking the copy of this. So look at here. So everywhere. Okay, see here. So that's why I'm taking everybody. See the bridal image. If you take the bridal image, so you can show like with the different like this kind of background. You can show it. Okay. So like this. So for one image itself, I am placing with the different background. So why I have taken a sitting kind of a image? Because I have shown here the background which is having the chair here. So for that reason only I have taken this kind of thing. Okay, is that okay everybody? Just you have to use the polygonal laser tool and eraser tool, and you have to make the image brighter. Again, you people know all this thing, dodge tool and all. So you can select this background and you can make the image brighter. So wherever you want this image, you can make it more brighter like this. Okay. Otherwise you want to highlight only that girl, bridal girl, so you can make the image darker. Okay, see, I made it darker over here. So oh, this small things only you have to do the changes. Okay, you cannot do like, ma'am, I did this work taking some image and make it very fair with that image and presenting, it won't look nice actually. Please do 2 3 works with that. Okay, take a suitable background, place it like this, place a gradient over this, otherwise any of the changes, use multiple things with that. So somebody who are not did till now the collage work, so for that only do the collage work with the gradient or many things, whatever the works I have done till now. So please experiment those things and all. Okay, anybody having any doubt? Here also you can play something else. Look at here. So what I'll do, I will take the copy like this and I'll go to here, Control C. So what, how much ever I have selected, I'm going to here and Control V. See, look at here, Control T. So now I want to place this image here inside this frame. Okay. See, don't want to keep it empty. So I'm placing it here inside this frame. So look at here. So everything which is possible with this Photoshop. Okay. So any backgrounds and all you want to change, those things also you can change it. Okay. So otherwise you can place this kind of palace backgrounds and you can cut this much area and you can place it over here in the background here. Okay. So otherwise even the floor you can do the changes. Any other file you can take it, so you can cut the floor and you can make the changes and all. Okay, so all these are related to editing, image editing things. Okay, so mainly Photoshop is for, mainly it is an image editing software. Okay, so all these things are useful, uh, necessary when you are doing the image editing. So look at here. So now I'm taking this much, this image quality is not good, still I'm using this. So I'll take the copy of this, otherwise this complete image I will take it. So look at here. So everything is possible. I have taken multiple images over here, so for which image I have to make it. So I'll just close all the files, so only the file I need it, only those files only I work with. Okay, so I will take this image using the move tool. I'm moving here. Okay, so I'll place it Control T. So easy option I'm teaching you people. So now I made it like this. So I want only the floor. So what I'll do, I'll go to this eraser tool and how much ever the area I don't want, slowly I'm going to erase it. I'll make it 50% opacity. So I make it, see, slowly I'm erasing the floor. Okay, so slowly I want only use for the floor. See, Control T. How much ever I want, I'll take it. Okay, so slowly, see, this is not the work you have to do it in very hurry. Okay, so slowly this kind of works you have to make it. Control T. So Control T, all these small commands. So this image quality is not good, still I want this carpet. Okay, I'll send it down. Look at here. So now what I did, I send it back of this because see all everything which is there in the this layer. See, I'll keep it up means it will come like this. I'll send it down. See now what happened. So the carpet over here. So how much ever area I want, I'll take that much only. Otherwise, very neatly you want it means. So I'll go to again polygonal lasso tool. I'll cut it how much ever the area I want. So look at here. So this is the area I don't want. So I'll just delete it. Look at here now. So I have deleted. Otherwise, I don't want this much area means I will select how much ever the area I don't want. I'll just go to this carpet layer and delete it. Okay. So you'll get the sharp edges over there. So if you want, you can extend it. Okay. So like this. So neatly according to the floor I have adjusted. Okay. So I want from everybody like this kind of work. So before it was like this. Okay. Now I have added this carpet background. Is that okay, everybody? So like that, you have to add one particular thing. So how much ever the part you want, you can cut those much only. Suppose I want from this background only this much things I want. Okay, I'll take it this much. So let us see whether it is matching or not. So I'll just go to this background layer. So while whenever you have to take the copy of this, you have to select that particular layer. Okay, is that clear what I'm doing? Anybody having any doubt? Anybody having any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so look at here. Now I have taken this. I'll erase it. I don't want this much. So I'll go to this eraser tool. So just give only 10%. 25% I will give. So I don't want all these things. So I want this background also with this photo frame also I want it. Okay. But in the background we have this palace kind of the background also we have. So too many things I'm making with one single image. So always while you are seeing the image itself, you have to see like you have to finalize it. What else we can do with this image? So what are the things we can do with this image? Okay. So what extra things we can add it for the single image? See before the image is like which is not having anything. Okay. So now the image is completely changed. Okay. So like that. So now I have to make this. Okay, so this is also one of the method to make the image editing. So before I have used polygonal tool, now I'm using eraser tool. So using polygonal tool we can do the image editing. So with the eraser tool also we can do the image editing. So here what I'm saying like with the eraser tool what and all we can do the changes. See, this kind of editings we can do it. So eraser tool is very important, that's why. So get it, how much ever is important, only that much only I'm adding. So this is the collage work, very simple collage work. So I'm not taken very big scenery over here, nothing like that. So with the only the background, see everything it is in a different layer. Before it was like this, so later I have placed this girl, and you can make little bit taller, so you can make it little like this. Okay, and I have added this carpet. Okay, you can take little good quality of the carpet for this. And again I have added this photo frame, so you can keep it this much also. Otherwise I have added this palace kind of a background. Otherwise you can add some more here. So while you are erasing, make it proper things. Okay, so like that, I want at least from you people simple collage work like this. Okay, so you have to save the file. Don't save the file in a PDF format. File save as in the format of PSD format. So PSD format is it is a source file. So anytime you can open this file and you can do the changes with this file. Always you need a Photoshop for this file to open this file. Always, okay, it is saving in the format of PSD, Photoshop document format. Okay, this is the input file format of Photoshop. And what is the output file format of the Photoshop? File save as in the format of JPG format. Okay, so we have multiple options are there, JPG, and we have this PNG format also is there. So always we have to save it with the format of JPG format. Okay, so it is the same name itself it is taking actually. So wherever you want, wherever the location we have given, there itself it is taking. Otherwise you can save it outside also. Okay, so the quality will be 12. Okay, so like this. So yeah, this is the output of that file. So this is the file what we did the changes. So I don't want the JPG format itself. You are taking the photo and no need to send me like this. Okay, I want the Photoshop format with the layers. I want to see the layers like this. Okay, so this is the collage work. So in this you have that bridal with the dodge tool, burn tool, and the sponge tool. Whatever the things you have used in here, you can use it for this bridal itself. And any changes you want to make it, so collage work with eraser tool. And I'm using that even this DOS tool also. So everything which is possible with this the single background. So I'm making this bridal bright with this DOS tool. Okay, so you can use the DOS tool over here. So you have to select particular layer and you have to use the DOS tool. And once again you can save the file over here. Okay, I'll just go to this background. I made it this brown. Okay, so like that, so everything the purpose will serve. So all the tools we have used here. Okay, I'll just save this. And once again I have to save as the same thing, JPG format. I'll save it in the format of JPG format. This one, first one we have to use. Okay, so exactly which location we have saved, I'll replace to that file, work one. Okay, so do you want to replace it? So I'll replace the same file. So the same thing itself it is taking. And here the file output. And look at the images become the only that bridal is become brighter over here, and we changed the background also. So all the tools we have used here. Anybody having any doubt with this tool? Anybody? So if you don't have any doubt, I'll go to the different tool now, because every day we have a different tools. Okay, so I'll not come back again for the same tool. Okay, anybody who is having doubt, that ma'am we can do this kind of work or anything else. Okay, anybody. So just I'll tell you one more thing in the Google. So just give Photoshop work. Okay, so you will get an idea like what kind of work we can do it using the Photoshop. So see, these are the creative things that we can do it with the Photoshop. So please try to follow some of the creative works like this. Okay, so you will get an idea what are the things we can do it with the Photoshop software. Okay. Okay. So if you people will send me some more assignment, I will show you some of the some more examples also. Okay. So today class we will go for we have to remove. I'll just close this file. So please, whoever want to present the images like this, please present me with this pattern. Okay, don't as it is. You have it small changes and all. Don't present me like that. Okay, you have to present like the before the image is like this. After the changes happen like this. Okay, so please do something like that. Okay, and so I'll go for the reference today class. I'll take this image. Why I have taken this image? So after this bridal image, madam, why ma'am is taking this kind of image? So today class we are going to remove the pimples on the face, and we have to remove the marks on the face. All these things we have to do. Okay. So for that reason, I have taken this kind of image. So I'll take some of the images which is already having the marks. So then only it is possible. If there is no marks means we cannot remove any things like that. Okay. So I have some images like this. So which is already having the marks. So how to remove the marks on the face? How to remove the pimples or wrinkles, any scratch, accidental marks on the face, those things and all, how to remove. So everything which is possible with the Photoshop software. Is that okay, everybody? So uh, you have to download that particular images to do this kind of editing. So always take the duplicate copy of this. So I have taken this image like this, which is having so many marks. Okay, I'll take the duplicate copy of this background layer. Right click on this. There is an option of duplicate layer. Okay, sorry girls, give me 1 second. So we will go to here. We have an option called, please write down these tools: spot healing brush tool, patch tool. Okay, so we will use the spot healing brush tool. Okay, if we use this spot healing brush tool, zoom it. So again, whenever I'm using this spot healing brush tool, okay, so here we have an option brush size. Okay, so this is the size of the brush, and otherwise you can use the flower bracket. Okay, like this. So wherever the mark is there, you have to only the click it like this. Okay, so only wherever the mark, slowly, no need to do like this, everybody. So all this problem will happen. So slowly, wherever the single point is there, please only there itself you have to remove it like this. Sometimes the patches will come, so only very small, look at the patches has come already. Reduce the brush size, and so only necessary things, so wherever necessary only there itself we have to make the, we have to remove the marks. Okay, so I'll just click on this. Okay, so only click wherever the things are necessary. Okay, still the marks are there, so everything which is not possible with this. Okay, see the, yeah, still we have the marks over there. So before, how is this file? Like this. After removing this, okay, all the marks are removed. Okay, everything which is possible with the spot healing brush tool. So you have to select the spot healing brush tool and you have to click like wherever the necessary things are there. So where there itself we have to click this. Okay, small marks will be there and all, you have to click it. Sometime it will go, so some of the marks which is not going here itself, so we have to use the other tools for this. Okay, any extra hairs and all is there, so those things also you can remove it. Okay, any changes, so after the marriage photo shoot or any function, any celebration, after taking the photos, any changes you want to make, celebrities photos and all, so we cannot do changes once the photo shoot is done. So before coming to the television live telecast, so here we all these things, everything which is going to edit, so after this only we can see the live telecast wherever. Okay, so it is going to telecast, so all celebrities images, whatever the things you are seeing, no, everything is which is edited. Okay, so now I'm going to delete this layer. I'll show one more method. So I'll take the same image, I'll take the duplicate copy of this layer again. Next tool is healing brush tool. So this is the method is different. So how to use this healing brush tool? So here we have to copy the same skin here. Okay, so sometimes we have the patches, we can see it. Using the healing brush tool, we can spot healing brush tool, we have the patches. Okay, so that's why sometimes we have to use the healing brush tool. So what I have to do, I have to copy the same skin. So I have to copy the same skin and I have to place it here. So like how it is happening with the plastic surgery and all. So before the plastic surgery, they will show before the makeup. So how you will look. I think you saw in Instagram or somewhere, like before the girl is like this, after the makeup or after the surgery, she's become like this. Okay, so all these things which is we can do it with the Photoshop software. See, Alt, I'm pressing Alt and left click, which is copying this area skin, and I'm placing it over here. So you're not able to see, you will not get the patchwork over here. Okay, so always you have to press alt and left click. So you have to take the see, we have the dark skin over here and we have the brighter skin over here. So somewhere which is near to that only we have to take it alt and left click. So I'm not leaving it, so I'm copying it alt and left click. So and I'm placing over here. Okay, so alt and left click, alt and left click. So here I can see the patches. Always you have to place the near to that only, whatever the things are there, those things only you have to place it. Alt and left click. Okay, so now it is clear. Alt and left click, alt and left click. So you don't see much patches over here. Okay, so like that. So little difficult this method is. So, but see your white patch has come over here. So just reduce the brush size, alt, and look at here. See, it is not visible. So near to this only, we have here dark skin, and again here we have the light skin. So always use the same thing. Okay. So like this, you have to make the changes. Anybody having any doubt to use this tool? I want more assignments. Every day I'm teaching different tool. Anybody having any doubt? I will only ask some students question. Jennifer, so which is the comfortable tool you can use it use to remove this pimples and all? Which tool is best? The first one, healing brush tool or spot healing brush tool? Jennifer,
Ma'am, spot healing brush tool. I
spot
feel,
healing brush tool.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. What about Aditi? Tell me, anybody. So even this file also you have to present it like how I want it. So I shown you people. So before the person is like this. So after the changes become, after all this, you have to keep the file like this. Okay. So I want the file like this only. So don't present me like one single file with the background color. You can add for the background color. So before he is like this, after the changes are become, so the person is looking like this. Okay, you have to present me like this only. Is that clear, everybody? Okay, don't as it is, don't present me like this because it is looking very clear. I don't know how much pimples he's having, how much marks he is having, like before he, how he was looking. I will not get to know. So whoever sending me the assignment, please send me very clearly like that. Okay, and I don't want the patches also. And here we have one more tool called patch tool. Okay, the same thing only. So I will use the patch tool for this. So patch tool, how it will work? So I'll make a one round mark over here, and so look at here, so which is copying the near the skin itself. Control D. See, so I have to circle the marks, and so near to this only, which is copying like this. Okay, so these are the very simple tools actually, so which is copying the near to the area. So now all the patches are over, finished. So I'll select it, control D. So I'll select it, and I'll copy the near the area itself. Later with the eraser tool or something you can use it. All three tools also you can use it together. So sometime you can use this tool also, spot healing brush also. See, now I'm using spot healing brush tool. Sometime it will not go clearly. So that time I can use the patch tool. So I will use this patch tool, and see, look at the near to that area only the skin is copying. So like this. Control V. One more thing you can do with this. See, suppose if I'll select this eye in the serial or movie somewhere, you can watch this also. All these editing things are happening like this. So we have to remove the eye. So some horror movies or anywhere you can see this kind of changes and all. So those things and all, everything which is possible with the editing tool. Okay. So is that okay? So you have to present with the pimples or without the pimples, or with the marks or without the marks, like this. So both the images I wanted. Okay, so I will take the image which is having the wrinkles. So now this image is having so many wrinkles, so don't take the image which is having only one wrinkle or something. Some students they will make it like that, only one wrinkle, ma'am, my work, I finished my work. So don't do like that. So I want like if you people have to work more things, so this is a little bit challenging work. So this is not easy like how you have done before. Still, we will work with this spot healing brush tool. See, you have to slowly, necessary things. We cannot make her young, and only the necessary things we can remove it. So, see here the lines. We have to remove the lines only wherever necessary. Okay. So necessary things only you have to remove it. Don't remove it. This complete eye or the eye, uh, this eye lines and all you cannot remove it. Only this much. So wherever necessary, so there itself we have to remove it. Yes. Because in this you cannot copy the skin and you can place it over here. So you have to use this tool only, because everywhere the wrinkles are there. So we cannot copy from one place to another place. Okay. Please follow how I'm doing. Okay, so some students they will make complete. They want to. They are excited and they want to make this lady young. Okay, so don't. It is not possible. Only which is necessary. Only there itself we can use it. Okay, small things. See, look at here. The wrinkles are there, small near to the eye. Only those things you can remove it. Okay, so which is necessary. So don't remove these curves and all. So sometimes those things are necessary. Okay, we cannot lift it and we can not make it. We have to cut and we have to copy it from some other images. Okay, if you are very creative, so think and do it. Okay, so it's possible. Okay, please whoever present in the class, while ending the class, please give me the attendance. Whoever I'm not taken, so they joined very late. Okay. See, before the image is like this, so I have removed these many wrinkles. Okay, like that. Slowly, it should not change the face value. Like the face should be as it is. Only the necessary wherever the wrinkles are there. So slowly, with the small brush size, I'm doing the changes. Zoom it and it's, you cannot remove the cuts over here. Okay. Okay, see it is moving. This mark is moving. Sometimes this cut we need it. Okay, so slowly just reduce the brush size. Even in the lips also there is a wrinkle will be there. So those things also you can remove it. Okay, we have to remove those things also. So So you can see the changes. See, if I'll increase the brush size, what happened? So there is a deep cut, which is see. Finally, it is not removing the wrinkles, but you will get one deep cut over here. Okay, so like this. So this much we can remove it. Okay, so before how like this, how much we have removed here. So this much we can remove it. So we have to work, keep on work with this kind of images. So we can maximum we can remove the wrinkles. Okay, even in the lips, nose, everywhere we can remove the wrinkles. Okay, everything which is possible with this tool. Okay, so you have to present me like this. Before the image is like this, and after making like this, so finish after the finishing, the image is become like this. So you can add some brightness for this. So again with the dodge tool you can add the brightness. And before the so you have to take something like this kind of image and you have to present me like this. So how to present it like that? So you people know already. What is this? I have locked this layer. Okay. Control T. So we can keep it like this, two images. One image is here, one image is here. I'll open the lock, double click on this, Control T, and you can keep it like this. So both the images are like this. Give give some gap from one image to another image. So keep it like this. This is the wrinkled image, and this is the non-wrinkled image. Okay. For this only, you can add the background for this. Okay. Just place it properly. Okay. So for this only take a new layer and go to this paint bucket tool. Just go to normal paint bucket tool. Add some color. Okay. Keep it with the layer in the background like this. Otherwise you can go to here this rectangular mark tool. So you can add a box for this like this. Like I will add one more box for this. See how much ever the area you have selected. So for that much area only we can add a separate color. So I'll go to new layer. Again I will take the new color for this, and in this I'll add this paint bucket tool. I'll add the color for this. So like this you can add the things. Okay, again if I want to add one more color, again I'll go to the rectangular mark tool. So in this only you can show many things like this. So I'll add, again I have taken a one more box and I'll take one more layer. So I'll just add a white color for this and paint bucket tool. So I'll add the color for this, look at here. So like this, for the one tool itself I'm adding more color for this. Okay, so whatever the colors you want, you can add it. See, look at here, like this. In between you have to add some color means, so I'll go to this again, this rectangular mark tool. So in between one line I have to add, that means just zoom it, and how much ever the area you have to add a single color. So again I'll go to the one more layer, this paint bucket tool. I'll add a white color for this. So I'll just add in the white color, control D. So it is top of everything. So look at here. So now like this you can add the boxes using the rectangular mark tool. You can add so many different colors for this. You can make a photo frames like this. Okay, and you can show the differentiation between one image to another image. So you can reduce the size of this. Later you can reduce the size of this much only. See the things we what we have changed it. So before it is like this, after this. So whatever the tools I have in the last session, whatever the tools I taught you people, so all these things are which is covered. Okay, so we have did this collage work, and we did this dodge tool for this only. So you can use a dodge tool. Look at here, I'm making her bright. Okay, so so bright and with the marks free, wrinkles free. Okay, anybody having any doubt? Anybody having any doubt? Look at here, see, this is a thing you have to do the changes like this, so like that. So you can add the box how much ever you want, so you can add the box like this, and you can make the works, you can show, you can present the works in a different way. Okay, so again I want to add a gradient also, I can add it. So for this only I'll use this gradient tool. So I'm just adding the gradient tool for this. See how much ever the box I have taken, only that much area only it will add. Okay, so otherwise I'll go to the single color. Okay, so like this I have to do the changes, and zoom it and check which is bigger and which is the smaller image. Try to match both the images together. Okay, so like this you can do the changes. So before the wrinkle, the image is like this, after the changes which is like this. Is that okay everybody? Anybody having any doubt? Anybody? Rashmi Ramani, Punita, Punita, you are I think late joined, right? So I have not given the this attendance in the ending of the class.
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
tell me, like Punita, I didn't get any assignment from you. Rashmi Ramani, what is the problem? You people are downloaded the software or what? So what is the situation? I'm not getting more assignment from your batch.
I'll send them today, ma'am.
Okay.
And we are supposed to submit them on the WhatsApp group, right, ma'am? Like, I'm
Yes,
confused with the
same group
submission.
itself.
Yeah, okay. Okay, ma'am, I'll do that.
Okay. Okay. Prachi Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, you have submitted me the assignment. You have any doubt about this clone stamp tool,
No, ma'am, no doubt.
spot healing brush tool? Is it easy, Prachi? You can do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Tanisha, Rashmi Ramani, See, even you can present in this way also. After doing the changes, the things will be like this. So after making the clearance of the face, you can cut the photo and you can submit me like this also. Otherwise, even half of the face. I have one more image. This is very small image. Even if I'll take the duplicate copy of this layer, so only half of the image we can do the changes. Half of the images we can keep the change. We can keep it like that only. So what I will do, I will take again this much duplicate copy. So I'll just select this layer and I'll control J, or any this much half only I will take it. So okay, so like that you can do the changes. So half of the face, control J, I have cutted only this much area only I have cutted. Only this much area only we have to do the changes now. I'll go to spot healing brush tool. This image is not having very good quality. If we'll do changes also, it will not work here because I have taken the copy only this much only. I have taken the copy. So control plus, control minus, always one hand should be always in the control plus and control minus. Okay. Here in this image, not having much wrinkles and all. Even this hairs and all, you can remove it. So extra hairs on the faces. Reduce the brush size, and small changes we have to make it. So if I have to use this dodge tool, so now what happened? So only this is the changes what we have done. So only little bit we can give it. I take very good quality of the image, so then half of the image we can make it wrinkle free. Yeah, this kind of images you can take. You can take it like this. Control J. So I have not taken the copy of this. Only this half of the face I have taken like this, and I'll go to this spot healing brush tool. See, if you have a very good quality of the image, so then easily we can remove it. So always while you are doing it, see sometimes these wrinkles are not going properly. Why it is not going? See, always here we have this background and foreground color. Always it should be with the black and white. So please click on this. So if it is white and white, it is not taking the image mode and all, it is not coming properly. So always with the black and white. So place it like this, and look at the changes and all. So if you drag it like this, so you'll get one patch over there. So always click. Still it is not working properly. So that time we have to use the second tool, that is called healing brush tool. So here we have to copy the some skin. Let us see, not get the patches over here. Alt and left click. So Alt and left click. So okay, see the complete patches and all. Okay. So near to this area only we have to copy this. Okay. So like this. I will take again the copy of this file. Control D. For after I have to show it. Control J. Again I will take the copy of this. I'll hide it. So I'll do some changes. Later I'll place it. Okay. So spot healing brush tool. I'll Is there any network issue? Anybody facing any network problem? So these many changes we have done. Okay. So like that. Control plus zoom it. So whoever not understood till now Photoshop, please let me know. So still nobody is started the assignments. Okay. So any doubts they have, please clear now itself, because again in the next class we are going for different tools. So these are very simple tools. Next, after 2 classes we are going to make the poster designs. So we are making movie poster designs, and some of the designs we are going to make. So that time it will be too difficult. See here we are removed completely. So the complete wrinkles are removed here. Okay. So slowly we should do the work. So it is not that much easy. Okay. So again slowly we have to add this DOS tool. So wherever necessary, we want to make this eyes brighter. So give only 20% and make it. And just increase the brush size. Patches will come. 10% exposure I'll give and increase the brush size. Okay. So this is the file. So this is the brighter image. Okay, and here it is with wrinkles, without wrinkle. So like this, I'll make this image more darker. Go to burn tool. You can show it like this. The image is like this before. So with the dark circles and the wrinkles, now we have removed it everything. So the image is brighter, and that also this is the half side, and this half side we are not removed anything. So like this we can do the changes. Okay, so you people have to submit me like this, whoever doing the assignments. Okay, with the wrinkles, what are these are the changes I have done. Okay, don't present me like this, half of the like half of the place which is completely wrinkled, half of the things which are not wrinkled. Okay, in the Google you will get the images, wrinkled image, all those things. Okay, so anybody having any doubt?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Like this with the background you can place it. Nobody having any doubt? Okay, so like this you have to save the file. So any of the work, simple works also, if you'll do it, just save the file. So with that tools itself, the name of the tool, healing brush tool. Save the file like this. Okay, one more thing I want to show you people. So that is, I'll take the like this background, I will take it for this image. So what I'll do, I'll take it here. So I will close the file and Control T. So this is a very big image. So what I'll do, I'll go to this background layer and I'll go to this polygonal tool and I will select how much ever the area I want. Let us see we can do it or not. This one. So I'll select this area So this much area I have selected. So with this I want to add the ears. So that time I'll go to this one, add to selection. So we are already there in the add to selection. So I'll go to this one. If you want, then we can add this area. Otherwise we can remove it. So this is the add to selection area. So I'll make this one. I'll on this layer. Maybe it is little difficult for you people. So there is a option called, tomorrow class again I will explain this one. So I have taken two different layer here. Okay, so Photoshop is a huge software. So we can learn many things with the software. Okay, so you have to keep on work with the software. Okay, so I don't know who are these two people. They maybe they are facing some network problem, some students. Okay, so look at here. So I want to add a texture for her face. So there is an option called here. We have an option here, masking, add layer mask. So how much ever area is selected, only thus that much area only which is masked over here. Okay, and so I have selected this much and look at here. So which is coming according to please take always the image which is the front face. So I have taken this image which is not in the front face. So tomorrow I'll show you people with the different examples. So only this much thing naturally which we have to add it. So we have multiple options are there. Okay, so today you have to concentrate only whatever the tools I have teased is clone stamp, spot healing brush tool and all. So I'll just make a sample for you people. So I'll explain once again. So any changes we have to make it. So all these are the changes. Okay. So if you don't want this much area, ears and all, you can remove it. See here. Remove it. So how much ever the area, so take only the faces, that much only, and look at this. Even this, even eyes also you can make it clear using this eraser tool. Only you can leave this eye. Okay, so many things we can do it with the Photoshop software. Soft light, so which is completely with the skin, which is attached to skin. Okay, hard light, vivid light. See, we have to erase it. This much area and all we have to erase it. Okay. Even this is also looking nice. Suppose if I'll increase the brush size. Okay. Only this much edges and all we can remove it. Okay. And linear light. So many of the changes we can do it with this. So which is matching to the skin. Okay, so which is possible like this. Okay, so all these things which we can done with this kind of tool. Okay, avatar character, so we can make a tiger face or any of the textured kind of a face, the same face only we have to take a front face exactly. So we can make the skin like this. Okay, so we can do the changes like this. Yeah, this is also one file. So you can add the texture, you have to bring the texture and half of the face you can select it and we can make the textures like this. So I have given this tiger kind of textures. So we have multiple options are there. So in this only we can do so many things. So look at here, it is looking natural, which is not having more textures over here. Okay, So very less textures. Even for the dress also, if you are taking a white gown, so bridal with a white gown kind of a dress, you want to make a texture for that. So even you can add a textures like that also. Okay. So look at this greenish color we have. So like that we have multiple options are there. So end of the day it should look natural. Okay, this is the soft line. So using this it is looking natural. So wherever if it is not necessary, so you can remove it. Okay, so always take the front facing. So like this. Even for the full face also, I have taken only this much itself. So masking while I'm doing this, only half of the face I have taken. So full face also we can take it and we can give the full texture also. Tomorrow class I will show all those things. So no need to worry about this masking. So masking is little difficult. Tomorrow class I will show you more about masking. Okay, so masking is very important thing in Photoshop. Okay, so I don't want any assignment from this because tomorrow I'm teaching you people in detail. Okay, so I want the assignment, the collage work, dodge tool and burn tool, otherwise single work which is included dodge tool, burn tool, and the collage scenery work, and clone stamp tool. Otherwise you can make it separate. So what I'm saying, everybody please do step by step work. Please make a folder in desktop Photoshop work, and with that tool name itself you have to save the file. Okay, today I did this gradient tool. Save the file name like in that name itself. So by the time, so after 2 months also, if you open the software, you can open the work, you will get to know. Okay, is that clear, everybody?